How to find Facebook password on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Facebook password on any Android phone. First, just open settings and then scroll down here until you find this one, security. Click on it, and here we'll find this one here, password vault. And if you can't find it here, then just type here password vault and you will find it. Then click on it. Now just type your phone password here, and that's it. Now just scroll down until you find here your Facebook, and then click on it. And that's it. Here just click this one, this icon here, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.